Hello everyone, welcome to Tuesday's Healing Moments. I'm Jackie. Here, I'll turn it around so you can see me. Hi, I don't know how to flip the camera once you're starting the video. I am technically challenged, so I have to flip the camera. And what I wanted to do was not show you me today, but to actually show you nature, because we have Lady Gaia's consciousness here with us today to share some of her healing, and I'm really thrilled about that, as usual. Every time I do any type of healing on Tuesdays is always just an incredibly calming, nurturing, special time. And I'm still in Texas, and this is a view of a backyard that I know very well. And the birds have been quite prevalent, singing their beautiful tunes. And so I thought that I would share with you this moment while we bring through Lady Gaia's healing energy. So I think I'll just kind of let you look in this direction. So I'm going to go ahead and call her in now and ask her to start bringing in her healing vibes. Remember that this is quantum healing. You can listen and watch this video at any time and be able to pick up on the transmission of the energy that is coming through for you. I encourage you to close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and then out through your nose or mouth. Allow all the thoughts, feelings, and emotions that have been on your mind up until now, choosing to place them somewhere else where you can pick them back up when we're done. And for now, choosing to step into the reality of what is here, what is before you through this video. The nature that is so vast, so plentiful, so lush. And then the beautiful sounds of the energy that is carried within that nature landscape. Lady Gaia says, breathe. Relax and know that I cradle you, she says. Relax and know that I give you every breath that you need in order to make it through this day. Relax and know that I give you every essence, every sound, every color, and every vibration that you need in order to be at your best today. She says, I believe that, but do you? Do you believe that she holds everything that you need? Do you believe that she can nurture you and fuel you? That she can take away every thought that is disturbing, every thought that brings sorrow and grief, every thought that just doesn't stay in alignment with your highest good at this moment? Do you believe that she can utilize the color of one of these roses to enhance and purify your mind, your body, and your soul within just a matter of seconds? She says, I believe, but do you? Because when you believe that all of this actually holds everything that you need to change your perception in an instant, that the power of that is so incredible. It begins with a thought, and then the mere belief and your receptivity. That's it. Choose to step into that right here, right now, in the colors, in these amazing sounds, not only of my voice, Gaia's voice, and the birds. Even the cars that are going by, it lets you know that there are thoughts coming in and going through all the time. But what's happening? They're just merely whisking through. They're passing by, but they're not stopping. The sound of the chimes comes in and says, yes, at any time we can cleanse and clear. The sound of those cars, the sounds of those other thoughts that are coming in and moving through you. And then we come back to the stillness. The power of color and sound, you guys, it's incredibly, incredibly healing. Let yourself tap into that today. Let yourself tap in, turn on, and receive this beautiful healing that Gaia is bringing through for you. Not only in this video, but outside your own space where you are. It's right there. It could be in one single teeny tiny blade of grass. The power in that one blade of grass could actually heal you. But that's your belief, right? We all have a choice. There's lots of different perceptions. Which one do you want to choose today? I choose the green. I'm going to start zooming in. I choose to think of the green of this grass and all the little carrots and apple out there and cabbage for the rabbits that live underneath the gazebo. I choose to think about this beautiful pink magenta color that these roses impact. The green and the wisteria. If you could see the grapes in there, you'd be the red and the purple of the grapes. Listening to the sound of the chimes in their variety. Into the purple and the yellow of the irises. Yeah, where do you want to be? Step in right here. Step into these colors, step into these sounds. Let them fuel you. Let them help you escape today for just a few more moments in this healing moment that we have right here, right now. Breathing in, breathing out. There's a hummingbird sitting at the very top of that tree. I'm hoping it might fly so you can see it. Because it's there. There it is. And then it landed. We have lots of birds out here. Alright, you guys. Thank you for spending a few moments with me and with Lady Gaia's consciousness today. Her beautiful colors and her sounds out here on our planet. All right, from me to you, have a wonderful day. See you next week. Bye.